Hi, and welcome to Yolo Queen Bee Tarot. I am Yolo Queen Bee. So I have prayed over cards, and I'll do a couple shuffles. We're going to do a reading today for Gemini. Gemini, yes. Gemini the twins. Light some sage. Clear the cards. Clear myself. Thank you, Gaia, for the sage. And thank you, Sage, for your cleansing power. We always give praise and thanks. Yes. Some incense for our ancestors. All right. All right. Okay. Elohim, Spirit, ancestors not unknown. Tell us what's going on for Gemini. 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 Woo, all right, all right. So we have Temperance, the Moon, Page of Swords, 2 coins, 2 cups in reverse. It's actually this way. And 5 of Swords. All right. Gemini, Temperance. So this means balance. So someone's trying to, you see they're mixing there, they're trying to balance something. The Moon. The Moon is Neptune energy, but the Moon means that there's something still hidden. There's some kind of illusions. And Temperance could be Sagittarius. So maybe there's something in Sagittarius is not keen to yet. But the Page of Swords, which is air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So who are you spying on, Gemini? Are you spying on a Sagittarius? Because pages are messages. But he's not really acting. He's just spying. He's looking. And 2 of coins, that means there's some kind of choice, some kind of juggling going on, or indecision about someone giving their cup to somebody. Because 2 of cups means, you know, here's a cup, an offer. It could be a partnership, a business deal, or a relationship. So someone is definitely trying to decide about giving their cup, and they haven't done it yet. But there's some kind of 5 of Swords. That's not cool. There's deception. So maybe there's some kind of deception in the choice. You know, someone's definitely not getting the clear picture of even understanding about the offer being given. Gemini, Gemini. What's the Moon? What's being hidden? Ooh, we got 2 cards. The Queen of Pentacles and messages. So maybe that's the issue. Maybe there's another person involved. Pentacles is Virgo, Taurus, and Capricorn. And maybe there's going to be some kind of news or information coming in about that. Clarify the 8 of Wands. 2 more cards. Yep, the Knight of Swords, fast action. And again, swords, air signs, so that's Gemini, Libra, and Aries. I mean, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. That's coming in with some harsh truth. And with the 10 of Wands, that means that someone is self-reliant, but There's been some kind of drama. All these swords are all the battles that they've had to endure. And so they're like the wounded warrior. They're just kind of like pausing before they take some action. So maybe why this offer hasn't come in yet. They have to release themselves from maybe someone, a Queen of Pentacles. What's this? Let's clarify. The Page of Swords. Why is he spying? Ah. It's the Nine of Pentacles. This is an independent woman, self-reliant. You know, she's got her own money. She takes no shit from nobody. So maybe she's very independent, and that's the issue. And what's this? What's the five? See the Five of Swords? Meaning that they're confused. Either they have a lot of options, and maybe this person is someone who is sought after, so they have a lot of people coming at them. They have choices, so it's drawing confusion. And also, with the Moon card, maybe what's hidden is maybe they're not even, and also with the Temperance, maybe they're not even listening to their intuition. That's why they're having confusion about making this offer. What's going on, Gemini? Are you stuck? Oh, yep. And it's confirmed. Come on, Spirit. The Queen of Swords. The Swords is truth. So what they're saying, Spirit's confirming what I'm saying is true. I heard that. So there you go, Gemini. Excuse me. You kind of deciding on how to make a move towards somebody and get yourself free of some other kind of conflict. All right. Well, let's see. Choose wisely. All I have to say is choose wisely, because you see, all that glitters is not gold. And you can see in these cups, I mean, this completely cup, we have no idea what's in there because it's shrouded, it's hidden. This one has a snake. This one could talk about intuition. You know, be careful. Your choices, for sure. So for now, you're spying, or someone's spying on you, Gemini, huh? Before they're trying to make it come forward, or you're trying to go forward. Yeah, when it comes to, you know, let me tell you, when you have outgrown a person, it's always best to be honest instead of having one foot in this spot and one foot in the other spot, because you're just causing messiness, you know. All right, let's get you some happiness. Let's get a happy message here from Gaia. Confirmation. Let's get some happiness from Gaia. I'm using Gaia Oracle cards. They're by Toni, Carmine, Salerno. Beautiful cards, beautiful deck. Good, inspirational. All right, give us a card, Gaia. Ooh. Remembrance. Resurfacing the past feelings and emotions. And this is 21, which is 3. Here we go. It is said that all that we have is present. While this is true, it is also true that in essence, past, present, and future are one. We are connected energetically to both past and future. Life is an evolving story, and where we are now is the result of where we have been. This card signifies the past feelings and emotions that are surfacing from deep within you, and you may find yourself on an emotional roller coaster over the coming days. Do not fight it. This is all fine. It is important to occasionally remember and honor our past, for it is part of you, part of your soul's journey. You remember to honor every part of it, regardless of whether you perceive some parts to be good or bad. For in some way, every experience has helped to expand your understanding and appreciation of life. Occasionally reflecting on the past is healthy, just as giving some thought to your future is wise. However, excess preoccupation with either only serves to rob you of the present moment and that serves no real purpose. So affirmation. I bless my past. I am grateful for every experience. For every experience has helped me expand my understanding of love. My love life is forever unfolding as it should. The past, the present, the future are one. I honor and represent my feelings and emotions, for they are part of my story. That's a good message. And again, yeah, Gemini, maybe you're remembering, you you understand that it's time to move forward, and you got to leave something in the past to move forward. And sometimes that's persons, places, things, and thought process as well. All right, Gemini, that's what I have for you. I'm Yola Queen B. You only live once, and remember, I love you. Namaste.